Banty and friends.
Hi! Hi, friends!
Hi, hi! Hi, hi! Hi! I'm a dog, woof!
Today, we're going to learn animal sounds. Are you ready?
Ready!
Look, it's a cow. What sound does the cow make? Can you say it? The cow says woof? So close. The cow says moo.
Moo!
You did it! Now look, it's a little duck. What sound does the duck make? Can you say it?
The duck says moo?
That's the cow, silly. The duck says quack, quack.
Quack, quack!
Yes. Ooh, a soft little cat. What sound does the cat make? Can you say it?
The cat says quack?
That's the duck. The cat says meow.
Meow, meow!
You did it! Last one, a fluffy little sheep. What sound does the sheep make? Can you say it?
The sheep says meow.
That's the cat. The sheep says baa.
Bah!
You learned it. We learned so many sounds today.
Moo! Quack! Meow!